we chase, then drift away, living beings that share this place. Some are wild, some are kind, some are storms, some are tides. But we cannot, no, we cannot erase the bond we've all been taught. Every gift of nature ties the peace we seek, the breath of life. We are punctures of a dream. Some are pets that'll warm the soul. Some roam free where rivers roll. In their eyes a story told. We are pictures of a dream. Different shapes, different ways. All of us will fade someday. There's a moon and there's a sun, a cycle that we all run. In the shadows, in the light, every soul fights its own fight. We are bondings of the wild, a fragile thread, a fleeting smile. In the forest, in the street, and we are pictures of a dream. Some are Jesus, some are fierce. Some will heal and some will pierce. And like the waves that crash inside, like the stars that light the sky, we are here, then we are gone. The thread keeps moving on. We are bondings of the wild, a fragile thrill, a fleeting smile. In the forest, in the stream, we are pictures of a dream. Where did we come from? Where do we go in different shapes? The river flows. We live, we die, we take, we give. It's not what we have, but how we live. Erase the bond we've all been taught. Every gift of nature ties the peace we seek, the breath of life. We are punctures of a dream. We are punctures of a dream.